Air hogs, air hogs, air hogs, air hogs, air hogs, air hogs, air hogs. There is an off switch right there, yellow button. There's a little light, that's for details. This is, sorry for the excitement back there. The air hog costs $35. You can buy it at Walmart. It's pretty good. I guess fire protection is plastic. It's pretty good actually. It works really good. It goes up to 40 feet up in the air. And I won't be doing much this video. Just showing you details and stuff. Maybe in the next episode I might fly it around or something. And maybe shoot somebody with a missile. There's a missile right there. You can see it. And I will shoot it right now. I'll shoot it at somebody. Kind of over there. I will. And just gonna sorry for the excitement. There's a whole bunch of stuff. It's I like how the red it's very painted. Man, I just told the video I won't be doing much. Was all shut.
If you're gonna aim it at my direction, I'm gonna talk.
I'm not.
They gonna think everybody what I said.
So if you...
Alright, so I will try to fly it right now. I'm gonna have to need a video camera. I kind of like. Oops.
Uh-oh, crash.
Hold there for a second. Alright, I'll kind of hold it. Let's show you like. Okay. Oh, I don't have a cameraman. Would you like to do that for me now?
No, you can make a fan out of it.
Alright, here you go. Alright. Put it up. There you go. Now film.
Film you? Okay. She's up. She's at it. She's coming toward me. She's getting in the gravy. She's getting in the potatoes. There she goes. She's on the potatoes. Oh, God. There she goes. She's eating her toes. That's like one of them roller coasters. Roaches. Roller coaster roaches.
You can get this for $35.
Get what you pay for.
Alright. This does come with a remote control, of course, with the charger inside.
Of course, it wouldn't run without one.
Some go on gas, some go by battery.
Looks like yours needs some gas.
Alright, so I'm just going to charge it right there. Alright.
Yeah, just do it. Okay, okay.
Huh.
In the meantime, we'll show you his legs. Oops. Got that Swartz Gator shirt on. From Swartz, Louisiana. 4th grade Gator bird.
Give about like 20 seconds.
Well,
I'm just gonna, like, stop the video.
3 minutes have passed and nothing's happened so far.
Hold up. Just...
Okay. I've been working on the railroad. Oh.
There we go. Okay.
Oh, there's the dishwater. Whoa.
You could take this outside of wood. But it's 9:28 right now.
Kind of dark.
But
Thank goodness.
this will be the end.
Include.
Well, I know I didn't do much. I'll show you I'll show you the compare achievements. I'm just gonna block the video, make it surpriseness. It will come in just like that, and like that. Of course, it's an air hog, mini air hog. That's my favorite thing. Got the controller here. I'm bringing it to the light. Got a controller. Got all this stuff. It's really good. And of course, you got the copter. Pretty cool. Air hog. Got everything. Got the off switch. The light. Everything. So in the next video, I will fly it, and it will be good. And I will shoot some people, and I might play some pranks on the people in the neighborhood. You know what I'm talking about. And see ya.